For today's video, isi-share ko paano nga ba ako nag-start as virtual assistant or ano nga ba yung mga natutunan ko along the way. Na isi-share ko ngayon dito sa video para sa mga gustong mag-start ng virtual assistant career nila. So this is my freelancing journey. So from uncertainty to confidence. Actually, freelancing taught me how to trust my skills and bet on myself. And it all started when I watched Pepito Manaloto and I saw Julian San Jose playing as a virtual assistant. I remember telling myself, gusto ko ng ganong trabaho. Yung nasa bahay ako habang nag-work. And that's where my journey began. Honestly, I had no idea what a virtual assistant or freelancing really was. At that time, I was a teacher and all I wanted was a side hustle and an extra income. Like many of you, I started with doubts, questions, and moments of fear. Walang nagturo sa akin kung paano magsimula or saan mag-a-apply. All I had was Google, YouTube, and a strong desire na yumaman. There were days I questioned myself, am I good enough? Did I choose the right path? Will this ever work? I kept sending applications to every opportunity I saw online. Then little by little, things changed. I got hired, a client trusted me, and if you're still struggling to find a client or unsure which niche to start with, always think about your long-term goals and where your skills truly fit. Yeah, some clients can be tricky. Frustrations will come. I've been there, but every project, every mistake, and every small win taught me something valuable. Freelancing showed me that growth doesn't come from comfort, it comes from trying, failing, learning, and showing up again. I'm still learning, I'm still growing, and I'm proud of how far I've come. To my future self, mas magiging proud ka pa sa akin. If you're in the middle of your journey, unsure but hopeful, keep going. Your confidence will catch up with your courage. Laban lang!